What's up, guys? My name's Billy. This is my first year racing motocross. I've been riding for about 2 years now, seriously. Just started focusing on, corners, jumps, just proper technique and staying off my arms and everything. Don't claim to be a pro, but I'll be racing C-Class and just trying to get better every time I ride, and it's the beginning of the journey. So stay tuned if you want to keep up with it. So I've actually been riding for longer than 2 years, but when I got this bike, I started taking it more seriously. Before, I was just riding around the ditches, trying to do wheelies, riding on gravel roads when I was in high school. Then once I got this bike, I saw the guys at the desert just like ripping around and thought that was pretty cool, so I wanted to try that. So as you can tell, I'm pretty slow in this first video. It's probably one of the first times I was at the track, and it really shows. Wasn't doing much cornering, jumping. Really all I was trying to do was stay upright. It's obvious to me now, but I really had no idea what I was getting into. You have to dedicate a lot of time into being somewhat decent at riding MX, let alone being as fast as guys like the Lawrence brothers, Egan, or Tomac. Few videos of me of my progress. Started at figure 8, so I was pretty slow, and I worked my way up to just doing a single track. And of course there were a lot of fails along the way. I mean a lot. Jumps took me a long time to get the hang of, and I started on some pretty small ones. Time went on, I got over my fear and just started hitting bigger and better jumps as time went on. Now, whoops, on the other hand, probably one of the hardest things to do. I still struggle with arm pump and just using my legs more than my arms. But with enough practice, this started to click as well.